Today is my favorite day because we are going to conjugate verbs. Los verbos, the verbs. My name is Irina Movsisyan and I'm a polyglot. I teach English, German, Spanish, Italian, Russian, French, and Portuguese for everybody who wants to learn the language fast and speak in different languages. And I enjoy the languages. I dive into languages. I'm crazy about languages. And today I'm crazy about los verbos españoles. Today I am in love with the Spanish verbs. And I start with the fact that we have 3 different types of verbs in the Spanish language. And I wrote for you the endings. We have 3 different types. The verbs that have the ending ar, the verbs that have ending er, and the verbs that have the ending ir. 3 different conjugations. And I give you 3 examples. Hablar, hablar, to speak. Comer, comer, to eat. Vivir, vivir, to live. We are going to conjugate our first verb, hablar, to speak. Okay, so how are we going to do it? We are going to eliminate the ending and find a stem. A stem of this word is able. So you see able, 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 able. Each form will have the same stem, but the ending will be different. Okay, let's get started. I speak will be hablo. You speak, hablas. She speaks, he speaks, or you, polite form, speak, habla. We speak, hablamos. You speak, habláis, and they speak, hablan. One more time. Yo hablo, tú hablas, él habla, ella habla, usted habla, nosotros hablamos, vosotros habláis, ellos, ellas hablan. O, as, a, amos, ais, an. O, as, a, amos, ais, an. O, as, a, amos, ais, an. I want to show to you that if we speak about the first conjugation, that means we see are mostly in all the forms. Okay? Hablo, hablas, habla, hablamos, habláis, hablan. Now you. Hablo, hablas, habla, hablamos, habláis, hablan. Close your eyes and make it from the bottom to the top. Hablan, habláis, hablamos, habla, hablas, hablo. Make sure that you pronounce correctly. Hablo, habla, hablo, habla. So open your mouth when you say ah and make it a bit closed when you say oh. Make it very distinct because the forms are different. So I'm going to give you new words. You know hablar, to speak. Estudiar, estudiar, to study. Viajar, viajar, to travel. Trabajar, 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 to work. So we're going to translate them, write them down, and conjugate them. I'm going to give you the endings again so you can see them. I know it is difficult to remember everything at once. So you have a chance to take a look at the endings and conjugate each verb. Let's start with estudiar. Estudio, estudias, estudia, estudiamos, estudiáis, estudian. One more time. Estudio, estudias, estudia. Estudiamos, estudiáis, estudian. Okay? Let's take the verb viajar, to travel. Viajo, viajas, viaja, viajamos, viajáis, viajan. Pay attention at the accent. What syllable do I stress? Not viajan, viajan. Viajo, viajas, viaja. Viajamos, viajáis, viajan. Trabajar. Trabajo, trabajas, trabaja, trabajamos, trabajáis, trabajan. We are going to take el verbo hablar and we are going to conjugate that again, but we are going to use new words. Let's read them. Inglés, inglés, English. Español, español, Spanish. Alemán, alemán, German. Francés, francés, French. Also, I would like you to notice that we have el acento, so that means you have to put the accent there. You have to stress that syllable. Inglés, alemán, francés. Okay? Very good. Okay, let's say I want to say I speak English. Hablo inglés. Again, I don't have to use yo, tú, él, ella, nosotros, vosotros, ellos because the ending shows me who is doing the action. Okay? Hablo inglés. Let's say I want to say I don't speak English. No hablo inglés. I just need to put no in the beginning. That's it. That's it. That's it. That's it. Done. No hablo inglés. Let's say I don't speak Spanish. No hablo español. А если ты хочешь сказать I speak Spanish, hablo español. I speak German. Hablo alemán. I speak French. Hablo francés. You speak Spanish. Hablas español. She speaks German. Habla alemán. They speak English. Hablan inglés. We speak French. We. Hablamos francés. We don't speak French. No hablamos francés. They don't speak English. No hablan inglés. We speak German. Hablamos alemán. I don't speak French. No hablo francés. She speaks French. Habla francés. He speaks Spanish. Él habla español. I speak English very well. Hablo inglés muy bien. I don't speak English very well. No hablo inglés muy bien. No hablo español muy bien. No hablo francés muy bien. No hablo alemán muy bien. So you see, guys, you can make so many different sentences when you know the words. You can also say, I study Spanish. Estudio español. I study English. Estudio inglés. I study German. Estudio alemán. I study French. Estudio francés. Negative. I don't study French. No estudio francés. No estudio español. No estudio inglés. No estudio alemán. Do you understand now? So that's very easy. That's very, very easy. Please write all these down. Those are your new words. And that's it for today. I give private classes. So you can text me at this number +1 323 910 7690, and you can ask for private classes for English, German, Spanish, Italian, Russian, French, and Portuguese. You can also send me an email, study@instalanguage.online. That's also my website, instalanguage.online, where you can find classes, flashcards, copybooks, books. I am building a language empire. I am inspiring every student that you can learn a new language fast. You can own the language. You can speak the language. You can enjoy the language. My name is Irina Movsisyan. Welcome to my classes. I will make you speak the language, whether you want it or not. Bye!